Hey there, have you ever wondered what could cause a low libido? Then this video is for you. We will cover the most common causes of a low libido in men and women. So let's get started. And for those of you who are meeting for the first time, my name is Raoul. I'm a medical doctor from the Netherlands and I'm making weekly medical videos to educate myself as well as you, my viewer, because I believe that medically educated people make healthier decisions, which is the whole point of this channel. This video also comes with a quick disclaimer. It's meant purely informative. This is not medical advice, and if you're looking for medical advice, always ask your own doctor. And now, quickly, let's get started. Now, before we discuss the most common causes of a low libido, it's first important to define what a low libido is. Now, loss of libido or sex drive is a common health problem that affects many women and men throughout their lives. It's important to note here that everyone's sex drive is different, and there is no normal libido. However, if you find that your lack of desire for sex is affecting your relationship or is causing you distress, then it would be wise to contact your doctor about this. Furthermore, I wanted to make perfectly clear that your libido is mostly subjective. If you and your partner, if you have one, are happy, everybody's happy. And some couples are happy with sex just once a month and deem their libido sufficient, while other couples are having sex 5 times a week and deem their libidos too low. So it's completely subjective. However, because we always think that the grass is greener elsewhere, I will provide you with some general numbers. I found a study from 2017 which studies the sexual behavior of 26,000 people. And on average, it seems that adults are having sex 54 times a year, or approximately once a week. This study also provides us with some major insights in lowering libidos, as it seems the older we become, the lower our libido gets. There were some significant differences in the age groups. People in their 20s reported to have sex about 80 times a year, while people in their 60s were only reporting to have sex 20 times a year, a 75% drop. And another very common cause of a lowering libido are relationship problems. Are you still attracted to your partner? Are there any relationship problems? Do you have any doubts about your partner? And if you do, then this may explain your low libido. Third on the list are medical problems that make the physical activity of sex very difficult or sometimes impossible. These are conditions like an erectile dysfunction, ejaculation problems, vaginal dryness and painful sex. These might all result in a lower sex drive. Next up are mental health problems, things like severe stress, anxiety, depression. These might be all-consuming conditions affecting all aspects of your life as well as your libido. It might be wise to contact your doctor if you're experiencing any of these and ask them for help. We will continue this list with pregnancy and breastfeeding. These might also lead to a low libido. This can have several reasons: changes in your body and body image, exhaustion, which speaks for itself, changes in your hormone levels, and sex being painful because of the injuries caused by childbirth itself. And then there are many different medical conditions that can contribute to a lower sex drive. Most common are heart diseases, diabetes, thyroid problems, cancer, and just having had major surgery. And plenty of drugs can do the same, also causing a low libido. Drugs like high blood pressure medication, antidepressants, antipsychotics, seizure medication, medication for enlarged prostates, and hormonal contraception. You can check the leaflet of the medication you're using to check if it can cause a low libido as a side effect. If so, you could contact your doctor and ask them if another medication might be more suitable for you. And the last cause we will discuss is drinking excessive amounts of alcohol. For an adult, it's not wise to drink more than 14 consumptions a week. Not only may it decrease your libido, but it can also contribute to several health problems in the long run. Furthermore, becoming drunk is also associated with erectile dysfunction in the short term. So even if your libido was up for it, the show could not go on. And for both men and women, too much alcohol may inhibit your ability to orgasm. And lastly, the same is true for most types of drugs, so also avoid these. Now, I hope this video was helpful, and if you're dealing with any of these causes of erectile dysfunction, please contact your doctor and ask them for help. But if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section. I recently also made a video with some tips to improve your libido. If you're interested in that video, check out the description or somewhere up there. Now, all that rests me is to thank my Patreon sponsors. Thank you, Sebastian, who is an investor tier supporter, and thank all of you for watching my video. Please leave a like, this will help out the channel tremendously, and consider subscribing. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and it would make my week, no, it would make my year if you did subscribe. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you next week with a new video. Bye bye. It would make my week if you would subscribe. Thank you all, and as always, I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye bye.